Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Opera browser on your OPPO F21 Pro 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Opera. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, begin customizing it, so click continue. You can enable ad block if you want. Here click enable ad block if you want that. If not, click on skip. Protect your privacy. You can also enable tracker blocking or simply skip it like this. Always browse safely by setting Opera as your default browser. So let's actually try that. Here we can find Opera. Click on set as default. Here you can customize some services from Opera. Click customize if you want that. If not, click allow. And that way your browser will be ready. And the one last thing is to pick the theme right here. Now let's open any website, and as you can see, it works without any problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.